Time now to talk business with Wes Brown, business editor at Talk Business and Politics. Welcome, Wes. Good to be with you.
Good to be here.
All right. Big stories of the week on the business front. I'm going to let you go first with your biggest.
We're right in the middle of Arkansas's earnings seasons. Our publicly traded companies are churning out those financial statements for the third quarter. And it's pretty negative. I mean, a lot of companies are hitting headwinds, major headwinds. Murphy Oil, especially the companies in the energy sector, Murphy Oil, Murphy USA, Energy, CenterPoint, they all reported losses during the third quarter.
Murphy USA had a profit.
Yeah.
But it was down substantially.
Yeah, it was down from a year ago. On the banking side, you're seeing they kind of staying level, but for the most part, it's a mixed bag, more so leaning toward the negative side.
Yeah, and in the tech sector, a little bit of a mixed bag. Axiom actually reported some pretty good news, but Windstream, not so good news.
Not so good news. Axiom, they're starting to. Both companies are trying to streamline and focus on their core assets, and I think Axiom are having a better job of it than Windstream.
Well, they've been at it a little bit longer too, so in that respect. So let's talk about what do you think these headwinds mean? So what's kind of does this portend for the fourth quarter, first of this year, first quarter of next year?
Well, we saw a few weeks ago the GDP report came out, and it showed that in the second quarter we had a real strong 3.9% growth, but in the third quarter we're only seeing 1.5%. So the economy is slowing down. Part of the reason for that is that people are still concerned about the job picture, the European markets, and the other foreign markets are down a little bit. So you got some headwinds on that. But what I think, going into 2006, the big question is what's going to happen with the interest rate. The Fed meets in mid-December. If they raise interest rates, then
we'll wait and see what happens. So.
Yeah.
All right.
What's your big story?
My big story this week is Governor Asa Hutchinson on Friday announcing yet another trade trip. That's right, our globetrotting governor here, headed to China and Japan. I'm getting a little worried here. He's going to China. He's been to Cuba. He went to some East European countries when he was overseas. I wonder if he's going communist on us here.
I don't think
he's pure capitalist.
Yeah, he's pure capitalist.
Anyhow, interesting move, and obviously he is packing a lot into this first, year or so into office, a little over a year now. But the China trip, Mike Beebe did not like to travel.
Right.
Asa Hutchinson seems to have no qualms about traveling at all. He's been to Silicon Valley too. I think it'd be interesting. I think he's just laying some more foundation for some things that have already been out there in previous years. And we will see. I don't expect immediate dividends from it, but I do think that this is just another foundation he's laying.
Yeah, just kind of how long do you think we'll see some dividends from some of these trips that you remember he went to Europe, then he went to Cuba, now going to China.
Yeah,
so
Cuba's long term.
Yeah, of course.
So in China, I think they're either following up on some things started under the Beebe administration or laying some new foundation for new prospects in there. Of course, in Japan, the AEDC has had an office in Japan for years, and so with the markets that are there, you've got Tyson Foods, and you've got some other agri folks that are over there, and
we have markets. Some Chinese companies, Denso, who is just here. So we have some.
I think the European stuff pays off first, though, is what I predict.
Right.
So all right, it's good stuff. Lots going on in business. It's been a busy week.
Lot of news, man.
All right, he is Wes Brown. You can catch his daily beat on our new and improved website at talkbusiness.net. Don't forget to check it out.